Hello and welcome. Thank you for being here with me today. In this session, we'll be sharing a special meditation designed to help boost your immune system and support healing from chronic or difficult to treat illnesses. There have been many cases where people were told they only had a few months to live, people with diseases that modern medicine had no cure for. Yet, some of them experienced unexpected recoveries and went on to live healthy, fulfilling lives. How is this possible? Though we may not fully understand the reasons, it seems that their immune system or natural healing power became incredibly strong, leading to what we might call a miracle. One thing these people often have in common is their mindset. They choose to live with positivity. Even after receiving a devastating diagnosis, they do not allow fear or sorrow to take over. Instead, they begin to fill their minds with peace, joy, and love. They focus on gratitude for this present moment, on giving and receiving love, and on what they already have rather than what they lack. They choose to live happily, peacefully, freely, and joyfully. And they extend love not only to themselves but to others as well. They stop trying to grasp more from life and begin to feel deeply satisfied with the life they already have. And when they made that shift, their bodies began to respond. Their healing was not just physical, it was the result of positive energy becoming greater and stronger within them. The power of positivity cannot always be explained by numbers, but we see its impact in countless lives. This kind of healing energy can strengthen the immune system and awaken the body's natural ability to heal. If you're struggling with your health right now, especially with chronic illness or a condition that feels hopeless, I invite you to begin a new journey, starting with your heart. Let's begin the meditation. From this very moment, let's fill our hearts with only bright, warm energy. Feel grateful for this moment, give and receive love freely, and focus not on what's missing, but on what you already have. Now, let go of any negative thoughts, and gently replace them with positive ones. Imagine that with this one step, a healthy and radiant tomorrow is beginning. You did beautifully. For anyone suffering with chronic or untreatable conditions, try living as those who experienced healing miracles did. You can experience the same transformation. The more your positive energy grows, the more your healing will progress. Never give up hope. Nurture positive thoughts, uplifting thoughts, and live with a heart full of positivity. Start today. Start right now. You may feel your health slowly begin to return. In our next session, we'll share a meditation to help you expand your positive energy and activate your body's healing power even more deeply. Until then, take good care of yourself. Keep your heart light, your mind filled with hope, and your spirit at peace. Sending you love, peace, and healing. May your day be filled with calm, health, and joy. See you again soon, and thank you.